our last health system for this unit is the urinary system. The urinary system is made up of 4 main things. So we're going to start with the first one is your kidneys. You have 2 kidneys, one on each side of your body. They're kind of located more towards your back than the front of your body. And the job of the kidneys is to filter all of your blood, and they take out any waste, so anything that's in your blood that you do not need. That could be extra vitamins and minerals. That could be things when you're sick. If you're taking medicine, it could be extra medicine. It can be lots and lots of different things. But it's going to filter the blood and take out waste. Okay. After the kidneys, this waste mixes with water, and it's going to travel from the kidneys down to the bladder through the ureter. And this is the tube to the bladder. Like a little arrow, tube to bladder. Okay. Next is the bladder. Your bladder is a very, very stretchy, it's kind of just like a bag, really. It holds liquid, so when your bladder's empty, when you've just gone to the bathroom, you don't need to go, it's really empty, it's really small. And then if you wait a long time, it will get really big and really full, and then you'll be like, I have to go to the bathroom right now. It's usually not good to stretch your bladder out that much, so it's a better idea to just go to the bathroom and try more often. But the bladder stores urine, which is the fancy name for pee, until it is time to remove. And your body will send a little nerve signal to your brain that tells you, oh, it's time for you to go to the bathroom. Your bladder feels full. That's how you know. And then lastly, you have the urethra, which is the tube that leads to the outside of your body. So this is the tube that removes urine from the body. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and underline these parts so they stand out. I guess I'll do it in blue because I lost my purple pen. Kidneys, ureter, bladder, and urethra. Okay. Oh, here's my purple one. We can go ahead and say water is important. Water is a very important part of your urinary system. If you're not drinking enough water, your kidneys have a really hard time filtering, and you can get things like kidney stones. It can be painful. You can get bladder infections, and so water is super important for this system in particular. And then that kind of fun little fact you might have already known, but they showed in the video, is the pee color, so whatever color your pee is, light to really dark, tells you how hydrated you are. And you want your pee to be almost clear like water. Pee color tells hydration level. Alright, so for our diagram, we need to draw our 2 kidneys. Kidneys are kind of bean-shaped. If you've ever eaten a kidney bean, it's named because it kind of looks like this. And then coming from our kidneys, I guess we can label these parts. So we have the kidney. There's kidney 1, kidney 2. We have these lovely little ureters. And then we have our bladder. It's kind of like this shape. It's kind of like a funnel. And label this as the bladder. And then lastly, there's just a little tube that exits your body, and that is your urethra. Okay? So, go ahead and get your urinary system done, and then if you need to look back, make sure you have everything done all the way back to, what was our very first one? The eyeball. Okay? Tomorrow we're going to start our science project, and so you're going to want to make sure you have all of these filled out in your notebook. If you don't, go ahead and take some time today to go back and make sure you have everything. If you have any questions, please let me know.